What's up, guys? Today is Monday. That means it's Joe's All-Star Tool Monday. Mr. Joe's out here, so let's go take a look and see what he's got. You guys, come on. Some bolt biters. Them things are worth every penny right there.
Hey guys, how you doing? Yeah, this virus, I think we're doing more than we need to, but that's not my decision. But we're still rocking and rolling. I hope everybody's safe out there. Just keep safe. That's all I can say.
Wash your hands.
Wash your hands. You know, I've often been wanting, you're in a restaurant and you're going through the bathroom, it says employees should wash their hands. I always want to write down, everyone should wash their hands, yeah. But that's just the way it is.
That's right.
I got a couple tools here. Of course, we're going to start with Milwaukee. Nothing but heavy duty.
Yeah.
This here is a bit driver set. You got some of the drills. They're hexed for running your drills or bit driver. You got your extensions drive sockets. Got some long Torx, a long extension driver, different sizes. You got some screwdrivers, some Allens, and short Torx. A couple magnetic ones. These here are on sale for $90.
Okay. $90.
Now, I don't know if you've seen this yet. That's the router. Now, it's not any ordinary router, it's a Milwaukee router. So you have, and we can hear this, 10,000 RPM up to 31,000. So you can tag whatever you want with it. Yeah. Now you got your quick release, so you can do your quick adjustment. You can do 1/64 adjustments. I mean, it is made to work for you, not have you work for it. You got the one shield that fits into place. You can hook up your shop vac and have a vac included on it. So they cover everything for you. You get the other base plate. I myself really wasn't sure what that was for, but that's when you got other grooves and stuff in there. It doesn't upset your cutting. We also have, I try not taking it all apart too many times, but I can get it together again. You have the guard that comes on the back, so when you're doing straight edges and stuff,
it'll just run along the edge.
You just run around the edge.
Nice and straight.
So, talking about the edge, it says on a 5.0 battery, you can do 250 feet going down that edge on a charge. That gives you a lot of scroll time, writing.
Cool.
287 on this.
All right.
287. And what do we have? Oh, we were talking about bolt biters. That's why I happened to open one of these up.
Yeah,
a couple guys had asked about this. I got a few sets in. But the 15 piece covers quarter. You got some metrics alongside with the fraction sizes, all the way up to 19 or 3/4.
Yeah, so mine stopped, I think it's 16, I believe, right? I don't have the 17 through 19 sets.
So they got the straight edge. So if you're working on left-hand bolts, it turns right way, left way. So what it does is it connects on the flat. And as it shows here, when it's rounded off, all you're doing is rounding off. It don't do anything for you. But these here connect on the flat. So that way if you turn righty, lefty, either way, you got it. And for instance, you got the only last bolt you can find, you got to put it back on, it'll put it on. And the next guy will have to get his set so he can take it off.
Better buy him a set of them too.
172, 15-piece set.
There you go. They're worth it. They work.
Yes, they work. That way you don't have to. That's a good tool.
Yep, without a doubt.
Bucket of cash is filling up. I just hope you guys have a great week. My creek You know, it used to be a creek, and now it's a raging river. It's been more a raging river than it's been a creek all year. Our bridges where I live were underwater.
Holy smokes.
And I mean, they're on a normal day, you know, there's 12, 14 feet, and there's a big gorge. But I mean, it was filled up and over. I had to wait for them to run down before I could even attempt to leave.
Wow.
And then when I got on the other side of the bridge and beyond a bit, there were 2 big tree limbs I had to move off the road because they were there. And I wasn't getting through on that. But I wish you all a great week, a safe week, and we'll see you on the flip side.
There you go. All right, guys, if you want something from Joe, his number is 731-412-7295.
What a great number.
Shoot him a text because he won't answer. It'll say I'm driving right now. He'll get back with you eventually.
That I do.
There you go. All right, guys, we got some new t-shirt designs. Check them out over here. There'll be a link down in the description. Some really good looking shirts.
I saw them. It looks pretty cool.
Take a look at those because they look pretty cool. Check the links in the description. Like always, if you like the video, hit that thumbs up and click that subscribe button right down there. You guys have a great week. Wash your hands, stay corona free, and we will catch y'all next time. See ya. All right, guys, in all seriousness, I hope each and every one of y'all do take precautionary measures and take care of yourself during this time that we have with the coronavirus. Just pay a little more attention to your surroundings and, you know, use some sanitary wipes and keep your hands washed. Because each one of us, you know, we don't want to admit that we're not tough guys, but you never know with a sickness like this, you know, it could affect us in a way that we may not be able to perform and feed for, you know, our families in the future. So just take a few extra minutes, sanitize your surroundings, clean the cars, whatever you got to do, but just mainly be safe. You guys take care.